Hey, I'm Sean Porter, owner of GhostStop, and I'm here at our new headquarters in Virginia with some really thrilling news to share and a friend to share.
Hi, I'm Bill Chappell, owner of Digital Dowsing and creator of the Obelisk. For the past 20 years, I've worked building technology to help the paranormal community try to communicate with the other side. And at this point in time, it's my privilege to pass that torch and that technology I've done to GhostStop.
I've had the true honor and the privilege to work with Bill for many years and come to call him a friend. I don't think there's any question at all that the work you've done has inspired the field for many, many years. And my crew and I are excited and humbled to continue his legacy of groundbreaking and iconic ghost hunting tools.
For me, it's about passing the torch and entrusting the work I've done and the technology I've tried to develop to the next generation. That generation is Sean Porter and the fine people at GhostStop. But this doesn't mean it's the end of my work. I will continue to work side by side with the folks at GhostStop to help you bring some of the most innovative products we've ever seen.
We've always been committed to pushing the boundaries of paranormal research and developing tools that will be effective for exploring the unknown. I've always said that working together is one of those paths forward in this field, and I believe this is just one more step forward in that direction. We've already begun building Obelisk under Bill's direction, exactly as he has. Beyond that, we have so much in store, and I can't wait to see what the future holds as we evolve together.
And I'd just like to say thanks to everyone for all the support I've received for so many years. And to remind everybody, we're not done yet.
We're not done, so until then, happy hunting, be excellent to each other and yourself.
Sean, let's go get some work done.
Let's do it.
GhostStop and Digital Dowsing, two legendary companies in the paranormal field coming together to continue the work of Bill Chappell. Visit ghoststop.com/digital dowsing to learn more.